In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover files that you've accidentally deleted from Google Drive. We all know how important our digital documents and files can be, and losing them unexpectedly can be truly frustrating. Luckily, Google Drive offers a way to recover those files through its trash feature, and we're going to walk through that process together right now. First off, let's begin by navigating to Google Drive. To do this, open your web browser and type in drive.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll want to take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where Google Drive organizes your storage, and right here, you'll find the Trash option. Click on Trash to proceed. Trash in Google Drive functions similarly to a recycle bin on your computer. It holds files that have been deleted for up to 30 days, giving you a bit of a safety net just in case of accidental deletions. Once you've clicked into the trash folder, you'll see a list of all the files and folders that you've deleted within the past 30 days. Browse through this list to locate the file you wish to recover. If you have many files and need to find a specific one quickly, you can use the search bar at the top. Simply type the name of the file to find it faster. When you spot the file you want to restore, move your cursor over the file name. You'll see a few options appear in the top right corner of your screen. Click on the icon that looks like a clock with an arrow pointing counterclockwise. This is the restore icon. Once you click it, that file will automatically move back to its original location in your Google Drive, just like that. Now, if you're managing multiple files and want to recover more than one file at a time, there's a handy way to do that too. You can simply click on each file while holding down the Command key on a Mac or the Control key on Windows, and then press the restore icon. This will allow you to restore several files all at once, rather than handling each file individually. And there you have it. Your deleted files should be back in place in no time. It's a fairly straightforward process, but one that can save you a lot of headaches in case of accidental deletions. Now remember that files remain in the trash only for up to 30 days, so it's crucial to recover them within that time frame to avoid permanent deletion. Thank you for tuning in today, and I encourage you to subscribe for more useful digital tips and tricks. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and stay organized.